In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A-B test sequences in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clear A-B comparison inside a sequence so you can learn which email performs better without changing your overall workflow. First, open HubSpot and head to the main navigation on the left. Click on Sales, then select Sequences. This is where all your automated outreach lives. A quick note before we start. A-B testing in sequences works at the email step level, so make sure the sequence you choose includes at least one email step you want to optimize. Next, click on the sequence you want to test. Pick one that already has steady enrollments and a clear goal, like booking a meeting or getting a reply, so your test has enough data to be meaningful. Once the sequence is open, go to the Steps tab, find the email step you want to experiment with, and look for the button on that email node that says Add A-B-B test. Click it. This creates a second version of that specific email, giving you a structured way to compare results. When you do this, a panel will appear on the right. Here, choose the email template you want to use as version B. Version A is your original. Version B is the challenger. If you're deciding what to test, focus on changing only one thing at a time, like the subject line, the opening sentence, or a call to action, so you can clearly attribute any performance difference to that change. Also, use clear naming or internal notes to keep track of what you're testing, especially if you run multiple experiments over time. After selecting the version B template, finish configuring the rest of your sequence settings as you normally would. Double-check your delays, send windows, and task steps so the flow makes sense for both versions. Then enroll your contacts. Enrollments will flow through the sequence, and that email step will automatically split traffic between version A and version B. Aim for a meaningful sample size so you can trust the outcome, and give the test enough time to run before drawing conclusions. That's all there is to it. You've added an A-B test to a sequence, chosen a version B template, and finished your setup so you can begin enrolling contacts. Keep your testing focused, document what you changed, and let the sequence run so you can learn which version resonates best. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.